everyone, welcome back. If the Westpac notifications are not working, start by checking the notification settings on your phone. Open your settings app and then go to notifications. After that, swipe down and make sure that you have turned the notifications on for the Westpac app as well. If not, make sure to toggle the allow notifications option on. Then make sure the notifications are enabled for the Westpac app and not blocked or silenced. Open the Westpac app and confirm that alerts are turned on inside the app settings as well. Then log out and log back in to refresh notification permissions. If notifications still do not appear, then long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the app and reinstall it again. Then open the app and log in and allow notifications during setup, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.